Hi, I am Khanya Zuma, proudly known as Khanya Zuma. I'm a singer, an actor, also a model. Yeah. What inspired me into being a model? It was the love of fashion, and secondly, I am a runway model, but now I have switched to a beauty model. I enter pageants, and I also still into runway, but let's just hope in the future I will get those gigs. But what inspired me more, it was the love of fashion, it was the love of the attention I received. So yeah. Yes, modeling is about style, but I feel like modeling just enhances your natural beauty, and it's also about boosting your self-confidence and your self-esteem as a young lady. It also teaches you about activities that happens nationally or internationally. It also boosts your knowledge about politics and more. I keep myself strong by saying words of affirmations, and also looking at myself in the mirror, telling myself that I'm worth it, and just being realistic with myself and trying to boost myself, like listening to music, and mostly saying affirmations is very, very important. So yeah. I would say when I entered the specific agency, and they taught me how to catwalk. So they would put 2 books over my head and a stick under my chin, and then they would tell me to walk. And that was very difficult. I do expect that they do allow other races, or let me just say other body types, because as women we have different body types. You cannot always be a slender. As you grow, your body changes as well. So I do want the modeling industry to include plus size models, and to also implement the mindset of education, to just educate young models to just have a self-confidence, how to boost their confidence, and just to stay, like just to be themselves instead of pretending to be someone in order to fit into the modeling industry. I never realized that I wanted to be a model. Actually, I was forced to be one at the age of 8 because at home they thought I was going to be a boy. Since I used to play a lot and hang around a lot with boys, even the way I talk, I did things changed, and then they saw to know. That's so bad. And then they sent me to this modeling agency, which has now relocated to UK. But I went there, they taught me the basics, taught me how to walk, how to speak like a lady, how to walk in heels and everything. So from then, it took me a while to like it, because I have to like shape shift. Whenever I'm at home, I have to be like tomboyish, and whenever I'm in classes, I have to be like girly. So I feel like being girly was weak. So until I started enjoying the classes, I started entering competitions, starting to being recognized, and that's where I started loving modeling. So yeah. I'm proud of entering Miss Heritage KZN because firstly, I won. I won, and secondly, It taught me a lot. I'm an antisocial person, so to be at Miss Heritage KZN, I had to be more social and just be able to be in a camouflage actually, and to relate with other people and networking as well. So it helped me to find love with pageantry, because I wasn't really into pageants until I entered Miss KZN Heritage. So yeah. Charities that are vital to my heart is giving away food parcels and also giving away old clothes that one doesn't wear anymore, especially to the kids that are in the rural areas, because they are the ones in need, and the other ones who are at home as well, they are the ones that are in need. So giving away food parcels really something that's deep in my heart, and even clothes as well, because I feel just grateful seeing their faces with much of appreciation, and so yeah. Okay, so what's interesting, it's to see how much it's developing into a very big industry. It's full with positivity and it's filled with encouragement. So what I like about it, it just gives you an opportunity as a person to be flexible with what you're talented in. As a model, you are flexible in those places. As an actor, you are flexible as well. So it's give you an opportunity to shine, actually. So yeah.